Plan and track any initiative to a successful completion using Microsoft's work management solutions. Information technology projects, engineering and construction projects, high-tech innovations, new product development, customer service improvements, marketing campaigns, training initiatives, and more. Microsoft Project can be configured to meet your needs. Western Principles can help you get started. All projects have a beginning and an end with a goal of achieving something. In between, there's a path to get from start to finish that is defined by any number of tasks done by any number of people. No matter the size and complexity of the project, management needs visibility into progress, costs, risks, people, and other key metrics so they can make critical decisions quickly in order to drive success. Microsoft offers several work management solutions. Planner is great if you're doing ad hoc plans with one or a few people and you need easy assignments and simple tracking. Project for the Web is the right tool for simple projects with a few people in a work group. It allows for real scheduling with relationships between tasks driving the schedule and easy tracking of assignments with the click of a button. Project Online is a full-featured and configurable project and portfolio management solution. It's perfect for simple and sophisticated projects where you might need features like collaboration, portfolio analysis, gating, project templates, capacity planning, resource management, document management, and controls, and so much more. Azure DevOps is the right tool for sophisticated agile development with the capability to manage features, epics, backlogs, assignments, and more. All of these can come under the umbrella of Microsoft Project and Power BI to enable portfolio reporting and provide visibility to projects, programs, progress, costs, risks, people, and other key metrics. These dashboards and reports help the executives, the project owner, the PMO, and the project manager make important decisions to keep projects on budget, on time, and on scope, and ultimately to be successful. Western Principles is a gold-certified Microsoft Project and Portfolio Management partner. We know Microsoft Project and can help you with your work management system configurations, implementation, resource management, and reporting. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.